I'm gonna go over 3 ways that you can pick products to review for your niche site. My name is Doug Cunnington, I'm from Niche Site Project, and if you're interested in getting this list plus a few more details, go to nichesiteproject.com/3. Just enter your email address and I'll send it to you straight away. All right, you picked your niche. You figured it out, you've done the keyword research, and you know it's a good niche. If you're not sure how to pick your niche, check out some of the other videos. I'll actually put a link below so you could get a little better idea how to pick a niche. But if you've already picked your niche, you may wonder what kind of products you need to be reviewing. So the hard part is there are hundreds, maybe even thousands of different products that you could choose to review on your site. So how do you pick? So I'm gonna go over 3 ways to help you narrow it down. The first one I hope is obvious, but head over to Amazon and look at the product category, right? So you'll see a big list, again, thousands of them. All you have to do is go over to the left-hand side and filter for the 4 and 5-star ratings. Now, the idea here is you want to have good products, right? You want to be able to recommend the products, maybe point out 1 or 2 flaws, but in general, you want to cover and review products that are useful, right? That's the whole idea. So if you look at the ones that are highly rated, that'll give you a really good idea of, 1, people are buying and using them, and they're interested enough in the product that they're actually leaving reviews. And that is a good thing. Next, not everyone is going to be able to afford the 4 and 5-star rated products, right? Some people are always on the lookout for the budget item. They're short on cash, maybe they just like cheaper stuff. They'd rather buy 3 or 4 of a product versus like 1 great one. They'd rather buy 3 or 4 and they will break and they'll buy another one. So some people just always want to bargain. So with that in mind, I always like to have a few expensive options. Let's say I have 5 products reviewed on a certain post. I'll have, maybe 3 of them are more expensive, right? They're the top tier and they are more expensive. The other 2 will often be the budget option. They will be on the low end of the price range. So if the average price of the product is $100, the budget options may be $20 to $30. So I'll look very much at the bottom of the pricing structure, just because some people always want to bargain. Trust me, they're not going to be interested in spending $100 or $150 if they can get the $25 version that does most of the job, right? So always pick a budget option as well. And the third thing to consider is the number of reviews. So if you just go over to a specific product and look at the number of reviews, it won't really tell you much because some products will have 14 reviews and other products will have 14,000. So the thing you have to do is look at several of these products, and at some point after you're looking at the 4 and 5-star, and then you're looking at the cheaper options for a specific product line, you'll have a pretty good idea about the number of reviews that you see on average. So if you pick an item that has quite a few reviews, that does 2 things. 1, it tells you that people are actually buying it because that many people reviewed it. And then the other thing is that product now has a lot of social proof. So if you recommend a product and someone on your website clicks over to Amazon and they see that product has 400 reviews and some of the other products only have 50, a lot of times that social proof 400 reviews versus 50 reviews is going to be enough to nudge them in that direction. So those are the 3 ways I recommend checking out products and selecting products to review on your site. Remember, look at the 4 and 5-star reviews. You can also look at some cheaper items. So be sure to go sort of at the bottom of the price range too. Some people always love a bargain. And then the third thing is just look at the relative number of reviews for products in the same product line, and then you'll have a good understanding what people are purchasing, and you'll get great social proof through that. Again, if you want to check out this list, in addition to a few more details, go to nichesiteproject.com/3. Thanks.